Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video tutorial, we'll be guiding you on how to use the Desui website. However, before starting, if you find any of our video tutorials helpful, do support our channel by purchasing our educational token, Wiki Cat, built on BSC chain. The contract address will be added in the description below. Thank you very much. Now let's get into today's video. Some of you might be asking, what is Desui? I've not heard of Desui before. Let me shed a little light on that. Desui is a unique social-fi project that merges traditional social networking with DeFi, empowering content creators with its user-friendly interface and multi-chain scalability. Desui facilitates users' exploration of Web3 and earning opportunities like airdrop and rewards for various projects. That is a short intro on what Desui is. Now let's verge into how to access Desui. Now go to any website of yours. Which website are you using? You can use your Google, Chrome, Mrs. Kiwi, but today we will be using the Safari. Now type in your Desui, desui.io, click on go. Now you see it takes us to a home page where you can see this is the Desui website. Now let's disconnect, so I'll show you how to log in next time. Now you can see it says let's get started. Please select your sign-in method. You can continue with your Sui wallet, you can continue with your Ton wallet, you can continue with MetaMask, you can also continue with your Sui ZK login. You can see below it says continue with wallet. You can continue with your Gmail, your Discord account, your X or your Twitter, and also your Apple ID. But today we'll be using our Gmail. I'll click on your Gmail. Now boom, we've logged in. We've been able to access the Desui website, and now by the left hand side you can see a lot of varieties of icon. You have the home icon, the search bar, the game, the fourth one which is the articles, and a lot of stuffs, whereas you also have the messages too. And let me show you how to make a post out on this website. It's a very fast and easy way to make a post. You can say, okay, let's say SMC tutors. Now you can see we made a little word out. Below it you can see the bullish, neutral, bearish. This is there when maybe you want to write about a coin. You now type in your bullish if this coin is getting bullish, you tap your bearish if the coin is getting bearish. But now we are not talking about any coin, we are talking about SMC dial. So now we can just, the blue button you can see here which says post, you click on it. Done. Now you see we've been able to make out a post. Very fast and easy. Very fast and easy. Now you can see you can add emojis to other people's posts. We've made a like. You can comment on other people's posts. You can also retweet and repost it. You can also share it out to people outside the Desui website. Maybe you want to share your post with your friend who is not on Desui website. You click on it to him and he also gets access to it. Now the second one, which is the search button, it brings out a lot of trending topic. You can see BTC, Bitcoin, start investing in project, a lot of trending posts and games. I forgot to tell you there are games to watch out for on the Desui website. Now let's go into the game section. You can also see a lot of games here. There are games in which you can venture into. We have the Space Hunter, Tonlanders, Triblast, Rage Battles, Super Beasts, Tonlander. These are games you can play on Telegram. You can see these are games that are most played today, which is the GX AI Fighter. There are a lot of games where you can play and get yourself various gifts, BNB and also Sui. Now the fourth one, this is your article. It is an amazing space to be. There you can see a lot of articles that people have published out. Truncator, compressing transactions, a lot of articles that are out here you can read from and gain knowledge from, just like you do from us. Now at the top button, if you want to create an article, you can see beside your bell notification, beside your profile, you see create. You tap on create and you see create article. Okay, now let's type in something, but your article, you can't post an article less than 360 words. So let's just keep that and go to the next part. I hope you've known how to create an article now. Now the next one, which says looking for partner collaboration, these are events. just like how you create your groups, your Telegram groups, your Twitter groups. That is what this is telling you about. You can just come and create an event, maybe a gaming event, play and win some kind of stuff, just like an airdrop. That is what this place is for. Now, here is your bookmark posts that you have bookmarked, posts that are upcoming, a lot of stuff for you to gain from. You can see games where you can gain from, just like some TaskOn events, a lot of stuff, a lot of games and gaming for you, a lot of things you benefit from this website. And the next one, which looks like a rocket, this is the launchpad, which is upcoming. Though Desui haven't launched their launchpad, they will be launching it very, very soon, which you don't want to miss out from. The next one is the messaging platform, where you can message your friends just like your normal messaging. You can, hey friend, how you doing? Fine. Have you heard of SMC? You can just message your friend out and send out messages to your friends. Now, the last but not the least, which looks like an icon of an human being bust. You can see your own profile. You can see a post we've made, a lot of posts we've done, even though we don't post much. These are the posts that we've done for a little while. These are the replies, the articles you've done, and the spaces which you've created. I hope with this little video you've been able to know how to use and work around the Desui website. If you learned something from this video, please support our channel by purchasing our educational token Wiki Cat, so as to enjoy more educational videos from us. And do not forget to subscribe, follow and like our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.